Corvette, one of my favorite cars. That's pretty cool. You got the Z on it. Nice color.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. This reminds me of Grand Theft Auto.
Whoa, too, yeah. This is the one they had in, what do you say? That much. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's me and DaJuan Flynezz. How's everybody doing today? It's a nice, bright, sunny day. I'm about to go out to a car show, you know, check out some fly whips, old and new. Come roll with me. It's about to be a great day. Let's get it. Cars they got here. You know, my favorite car is McLaren. I just see a McLaren. Let's get it. Corvette, one of my favorite cars. Right there. You got the Z on it. Yeah, so now I can actually see which one I will come I really want, you know? Like, I can see how it lives, like the features they have, maybe any extra drawers room, I can actually see it. Some of them don't, you know? Some of them don't have extra space, it's just a trunk and an engine in the back. But that's pretty good. It looks like it's a little longer.